Are you among those who are intimidated by the ventilator and the information on the ventilator screen, or even afraid to touch the ventilator screen and make any changes? This course is built for you. Learn mechanical ventilation from the scratch. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Al-Rahamni. I've been managing ventilators and patients on mechanical ventilation for more than 10 years. I promise you by the end of this course you will be able to understand and interpret everything on the ventilator screen. To pick the right mode of mechanical ventilation, pick your initial ventilator settings, adjust ventilator settings according to your patient's need, monitor respiratory mechanics on the ventilator screen, and finally you will know how to wean your patients off the ventilator. It is a comprehensive course that will take you from a beginner to an intermediate if not advanced level in mechanical ventilation. Through 75 short video lectures with plenty of demonstrations on real ventilator screens, I made sure complex concepts were made very easy to understand. Videos kept short to stay focused and on track. I will be available to clarify or explain anything that remains unclear or difficult to understand throughout the course. Make sure to take a look at the curriculum below and watch the first 20 lectures for free to see if this course suits you or not. And if it does, make sure to hit the Enroll Now button to buy the course and see how ventilators are easy to understand. See you soon inside the course.